Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I have a really quick unboxing video for you, as you would have seen from the description of the video. But this is a product that, if I'm honest, I never thought I'd own. So as you can see, the postman's just been, I've got the box in front of me. So let's get this box open and let me show you what's inside. So what I have here is some Stampin' Up products, and the reason I never thought I would own something like this is because I'm not massively into Stampin' Up. Stampin' Up isn't as big in the UK as it is in America and abroad. We're really lucky and really spoilt for choice in the UK with the amount of craft products and craft brands that are based here and have product availability for us. But quite honestly, I am at the end of my tether with trimmers over here. I can never get blades when I need them, and I just need a solution. So I've done some research, and the Stampin' Up trimmer came out on top of all the trimmers I was looking at. And I'm told I can always get the blades, which is my most important feature for a new trimmer, if I'm honest. So anyway, we're going to unbox it and then we're going to have a look at what we've got here. So let's move all of this out of the way. So this here is the trimmer. Comes in a plain white box. There we go. Okay. So it's pretty lightweight. This arm, I'm told, switches out so you can do 12 by 12. How does it come out? What am I missing? Does it pull? Does it push? Hold on. Okay, I got it. So there we go. Comes out across the top, so you can do up to 12 by 12, which is perfect. So I work a lot with 12 by 12 cardstock. Folds down again. We have two blades. I'm told one is for scoring, one is for cutting. So that looks like the score tool, and that is the cut tool. I will probably take the score tool off because I've got my scoreboard and I absolutely love it. So I just am interested in the cutting tool. Okay, so let's have a look at this. So it goes in centimetres across the top and it goes in inches across here by the looks of things. And then down the side again we've got inches, which is what I primarily work in. So very pleased with that. Then we have this box here. And this is Paper Trimmer Metric Blade Guide. Okay, so this one is in centimetres. I guess they just switch out because it's got the notches there. I have 2 packs of blades that I ordered extra. I think the trimmer was around 25 and these were $11.99 each. So I did get 2 extra pair of blades just because I don't know how long the blades are likely to last me. I have a lot of projects on the go. I use this every single day and it gets hammered. So I thought, let's have some blades as backup. And then I know I'm good. I know I'm good for a while. And I have to tell you, I ordered this from my friend who is a Stampin' Up demonstrator. I will leave her details and all her codes and things in the description box, so if you want to go over and grab anything, you have a contact to go to. When I ordered this, I'd been a little bit spendy of late, and I said to her, oh, can you put a note in saying that I'd won? I was half joking, but she has done it. How great is that? So I even have an alibi for why I have this. Not sure whether I use it yet or not, but we'll see. I just think that's absolutely brilliant. So there you go. If you need someone who will put notes in to say you've won stuff so you don't get into trouble, Lesley's your lady. Thank you so much. That's so kind and much appreciated. So yeah, I think this one was free. I think there was an offer on when I bought this that you spent over a certain amount, which I had with these, and I think this came free. If I'm wrong, I'm sure I will be told, but I'm sure that was free. So that is my new trimmer. I'm going to use it for a few weeks. I'm going to trial it and then I'll come back and do a review. But I just wanted to really quickly show you what I bought, do an unboxing, and kind of first react kind of thing. So I'm using this now today. I'm in the middle of a design team project and I was struggling, let me tell you. The old trimmer was cutting like that and I was having to try and file the edges or cut the edges. It's not a good look. And I am so happy the postman's just been. So this is going to be used right now. That was my really quick unboxing and blind react to my brand new trimmer. Thank you so much for watching today. Please do let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you've got this trimmer, let me know what you think of it. And have you ever struggled to get blades? If you have, Lesley's your lady. And I'll leave her details in the description box. I really appreciate everyone who does come and watch my videos. And as I said, I will come back and do a review on this in a couple of weeks when I have really put it through its paces. So thank you so much once again for watching. And until next time, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.